Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered Sihost.exe unknown hard error, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is run a check disk scan. So we will go to the command prompt, right click on this and click on run as administrator. Enter the command chkdsk space /f space /r and press enter. Then we will press Y and we'll press enter and wait for the scan to run. Now once the scan is done, then we will run the SFC scan. Now I'm not running these scans because they take a lot of time and I keep this video short for your convenience. So I will enter this command sfc space /scannow and I'll press enter and wait for this scan to run. Now this should fix the error, but if it doesn't, then I have another two options. And the first one is to uninstall the problematic updates. For that, I will right click on the start button, go to settings, and then I will go to Windows Update, and then I will go to Update History, and I will go to Uninstall Updates. Now we have to see which is the problematic update. So for example, if I installed this update on the 3rd of September 2024 and I started getting the problems after the 3rd of September 2024, then I know that this is the problematic update. So I will click on uninstall and I will click on uninstall again, and I will restart my computer by clicking on the start button and clicking on the power button and clicking on restart, and that should fix the problem. But if it doesn't, then the only option we have is to go for a system restore. So for that we will look for recovery, click on this and then click on open system restore, click on next, and then we will select the restore point that was created by us or by Windows, and then we'll click on next and we'll click on finish, and it will restore the system to an earlier date or time when this error was not showing up. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.